Hello, everyone. I'm Dave, and I'm going to play a song for you. This is my favorite Jefferson Airplane song of all. And this song, I couldn't find it on YouTube anywhere. So I'm going to play it for you. This song is on the Early Flight album. It is song number 7. It is entitled Up or Down. I really hope you like this song. And without further ado, here we go.
Well, I've been in a world,
I really hope, excuse me, I really hope you enjoyed the song. And it was hard not to sing it while I was playing because I love it. Love the song. I just hope everybody else loves it too. And again, I want to point out, I do not own the rights to this song. And this song is by Jefferson Airplane. Thank you. Have a good day.